You hear that? That sweet little sound just floating above the concrete and the cars. It's coming from somewhere tiny, deep in those leaves. It's a beautiful, gentle call, but it never shows its source. Just a quiet piece of wonder asking to be found. And so my search begins, panning slowly across the rooftops and the canopy. The sound is so brilliant and distinct, it makes it easy to lose ourselves completely, to escape even for a moment from life's trials and tribulations. The focus becomes everything. You try to follow the sound, but it's always just a tiny step ahead, hiding its perfect, fragile beauty. And that's where the calm is found, not in catching a glimpse, but in the commitment to listen, to know that something that small and beautiful is thriving right there, just out of sight. I never saw the bird, but for 2 minutes and 21 seconds, my entire world was reduced to a single sweet song. And that was enough.